Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this cute side swoop. It is nice and simple and clean. I also did an installation touch-up. This is a wig that I installed in my previous video, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. We're on the road to 200 subscribers. So I've had this install for a couple of days and I'm just touching it up now after having it for like 5 or 6 days, and then I kept it for another 2 days after this video. So as you guys can see, the lace didn't really lift that much because I used a good quality glue. So yeah, the glue that you use makes a huge difference with how long your install is going to last, as well as how many layers you use. So I am taking rubbing alcohol and a wet wipe, and I'm just cleaning up the lace before I go in with the Glamour spray. I'm also just removing those tiny hairs that might have gotten on the lace. I'm just removing those with my comb. So I'm taking this brush and I am going to use that to apply the Glamour spray. So basically I sprayed the Glamour spray in the lid, like inside the lid, to pick up the product, because I find that when I'm doing touch-ups, like if I end up putting too much on the lace ends up having a build-up and it just doesn't look clean anymore. So I figured out this hack, and it's been working every time I do my touch-ups. So now I'm using mousse, the Argan oil hair mousse, on my sideburns just to touch them up. I noticed that on my right side, some of the hairs, I think they came off, so I decided to just snip a couple of hairs just to fill up that gap. And then now I am blow drying all of that in place, and then I'm using my lace melt band, and I kept that on for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I went ahead and removed that, and as you guys can see, the lace looks a little bit better. Now I'm taking my makeup and this fluffy small brush. I'm using the same makeup that I always use on my lace, and I'm just applying that very lightly and gently on the lace just to bring back that color and that melt. I went in with my melting spray as well, and I put it on the lid, and I used my brush to apply that, and now I'm just blow drying that in place.
Different things then happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port, I'm paddling.
I took my Tresemme heat protector and my hot comb. In my previous video, you guys saw that I went in with serum and wax stick and all of that, so there was absolutely no need for me to go in with more product. That's very important when you're doing a touch-up. Just go in with heat protectant just to protect your hair from heat, and then go in with your heat appliances. So right now I'm hot combing the hair. I wasn't sure what kind of style at the time when I was touching up my install. I wasn't really sure what kind of style I wanted to go for, so I just decided to hot comb the frontal part and then iron the hair. I went in again with my Tresemme heat protectant all over the hair, and now I'm just straightening the hair. After deciding to do a side swoop, I then pushed all the hairs back, and I wasn't really paying attention to detail when I was doing this, you guys, because I don't know, you know, when it's a spur of the moment thing, you just want to see if it's gonna look nice or not. I've done this hairstyle before, but with intention, and it came out cute. So yeah, I'm just doing my side part now, and I love doing my side parts on the right side. And then I took some mousse just to tame the hairs and be able to continue to carve out my side part. I also went in with wax stick. Because I wanted the hair to fall into place, I had to go in with extra products. But if I was just going in with that middle part that I already did, I wasn't gonna go in with more product. But because I decided to do a style, I had to go in with product. So now I'm just hot combing the hair and making sure that nothing stands in the way while I carve out my side part.
Like broccoli, steady green like broccoli, steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me, good you know my fantasy, they want to check if my tap is go wrong, but it they rush my way, it be more, I'm gonna make my heart be the rush, if I'm money we touch, yeah, it they rush where it be
So now I'm just sectioning out the hair that I want to swoop, and this took some time, you guys, because I did go back and take out more hair because I felt like the side swoop was just a little too thick. So I went in with my Tresemme holding spray. It was my first time using it, and oh my gosh, you guys, I think this is my new favorite holding spray. I've been using it on my curls as well. It's such a good quality spray. So obviously there's a couple of videos coming up after this one, and I did use the Tresemme holding spray, but on this video in particular, it was my first time using it, and I was very happy with the results. So that helped with, as you can see, I'm taking out more hair. So the Tresemme spray helped with just molding the side swoop a little bit better. If you don't have the Tresemme holding spray, you can go in with Got To Be or your Glamour spray. They will do the job. So now I'm just hot combing the hair. I hot combed this hair quite a lot because I love a flat install, so I went in quite a lot with my hot comb. I had to cut out a couple clips because I felt like this video was going to be unnecessarily too long. So now I'm picking out some hairs for my baby hair.
Thing them call a broken heart, this blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start, but tell them say I don't see it. A Sean Paul and Sasha. Make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby? I just said dirty love.
I went in with my mousse as well as my gel. I went in with the Glamour gel just to help me swoop this baby hair. I went in with about 2 clips or bobby pins. I went in with those. I initially wanted to use smaller ones because the ones that I used are a bit too large, but yeah, it is what it is. So now I'm working on my potting just to make it more crisp. I went in again with my Tresemme holding spray just to keep everything in place, and it definitely kept everything in place. I think I kept this style for about 2 more days before I took off this wig. And there you have it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.
Aren't you like Bob Saget? Pretty, I can't pass it. Eating everything to get no fat.